Bitcoin keeps dropping lower and lower. And the question is, will we see here soon a really big bounce back to the upside? Or was that it already for this Bitcoin bull market? That is something that I want to talk about. Hey guys, my name is Alex from Amcrypto, and let's get you straight into the charts. So here I'm on the 4-hourly chart for Bitcoin, and we could see here that Bitcoin was here forming over a long period of time this rising wedge here that broke now to the downside. So, and since we are broken here to the downside, Bitcoin has now repeatedly tested the new, in my opinion, strongest support area here around $60,000 all the way down to $58,000. And for now, this area is still holding and giving us support here. But obviously the question is right now, will this area keep holding support, or will we actually break through this to the downside? So in my opinion, I believe that we could see a test of the bottom of that support range, and from there see a massive move back to the upside, a massive rebound. Yeah, but for the next couple of hours, we should definitely be prepared that we could definitely get here a little bit lower. So, and why I'm saying this is also when we're looking here on the EMA ribbon on the, I'm on the 12-hourly chart. Let me flip this to a 4-hourly chart. So here you can see it better what I'm talking about. So here you see that we tested multiple times the top of that support range already. So, and the more we're testing a support or resistance level, the more likely it is to give in at some point. So here on the EMA ribbon, you can also see the yellow string is working its way into the ribbon, which is technically a really bad sign, because the more the yellow string works its way to the downside, the more likely we are getting into here a bearish trend. So, and for now we're trading under the EMA ribbon, so which is also a bearish indicator. So, but the price could technically still rebound here to the upside and change that. So, but that has to happen in the next coming hours, or let's say in the next 24 hours. If that is not the case, then we are entering into a bear trend, and then we should also prepare to see here much lower prices. But here comes now the positive part about all of this. And for this, I go to the daily chart. So here on the daily chart, you see also we broke down here out of that rising wedge. So, and even if we come down now to the daily EMA ribbon, this is sitting, like I said, at $58,000. The chances that we get a bounce there are really, really high. So even if we come down here and test the ribbon on the daily, I believe from there we will get a bounce to the upside. And also when we are looking here on a stochastic area side, the stochastic area side is already at the bottom with the trend line, the blue line. So there's also an indication that the bears are running out of momentum. So because when we are getting into these lower levels here, then we are oversold, and the Bitcoin price tends normally to come back to the upside, and the stochastic area side is also moving back then to the upside with the Bitcoin price going back. So the next crucial level for Bitcoin to flip here, to turn here 100% back into bull mode, is here the prior all-time high at $65,000 here. So that is the level to watch right now. So, or another level would be 64,000. So $64,000 would be the first level that I would keep an eye on. That we have definitely to break it to the upside. In terms of the candle that we are forming here right now on the daily, if this candle goes a little bit higher so that it flips green and stays that way as it is now, then most likely we will get a morning star pattern. So that would consist here then the third candle for tomorrow, and that should be then a strong move to the upside. So, and that would then also solidify what all the indicators are showing here on the daily, that the bull trend is not over yet, but we need to see tomorrow some move here to the upside and some follow through, obviously. So, and yeah, for today it might be a little bit boring, because in the worst case Bitcoin goes a little bit lower. In the best case it will continue to trade a little bit range bound here between 60,000 and 61,000, and by tomorrow we should see then finally here again some action to the upside, in my opinion. So also when we are looking here at the cup and handle, so it would be not a big surprise if we come back to test this trend line here, which is at $59,000, and from there get then a bounce back to the upside. Obviously we cannot go straight in a line always here to the upside. We have to have minor corrections on the way to the upside. So, and yeah, if we would come down to 59, it would be not the end of the world. It would be actually healthy for the Bitcoin price to have this cool down and then start a new run here to the upside to our technical targets. So, and obviously if you're now on the sidelines and you're waiting for an opportunity to trade, then in my opinion, I would get into a new position if we confirm this level here once again as support. And how you do that is that you wait for a daily candle, or at least a 4-hourly candle, to close still above that line after we touched it. So the chances that we are touching it up now increasing with every hour, that we continue to move here lower. So wait for a touch here of 59,500, approximately 59,000, and that we get a bounce from there, and there I would enter, and then you can still trade it all the way up to our technical target for the cup and handle to $74,000. So, and if you want to take advantage of this trade, then you can go to Bybit. On Bybit, you still get the highest bonus that I have ever paid, $3,500. And on Phemex, you still get a $1,600 bonus for using my link in the pinned comment below. And guys, I have also something else for you that I want to show you. So I think a lot of you guys will actually love that. So stick around until the end of the video, because then I'm going to show it to you. And I'm sure you will not regret this. So then let's have a quick look in Ethereum. So here in Ethereum, it looks like that we are forming here a falling wedge. So something like this, see here. And also here breakout is imminent in the immediate short term here to the upside. So in the breakout target is, as many of you know already, is the top of the falling wedge at $4,265 approximately. So at here, if you also want to take a trade here on Ethereum, wait for a break to the upside. So I would wait for a break, let's say above $4,025. And here again, you want to wait that the 4-hourly candle, or at least the 1-hourly candle, is closing above that specific price level before you enter. And then you can also run it up all the way up to the technical target here of the inverse head and shoulders of $4,500. So let's also have a quick look into Solana. So Solana is here playing jumping rope with that upward sloping support, now resistance line. After we had here that massive move here to the upside, exactly as I had predicted it a couple of days back, that we will see a move like this. So right now, the lower level of the golden ratio here, the 1.618, is holding as support, which is a good sign. So if that continues to hold support, then in my opinion, we will also see here further upwards momentum for Solana. If this level is not holding support, then we most likely come back to $180, which will give a lot of you guys a really nice entry opportunity, a new buy opportunity to trade it then back to the upside. I know a lot of you guys have also me asked recently about EGLD, so I also want to have a look about this. So here on EGLD, we are forming most likely here a symmetrical triangle. So, and the target of that symmetrical triangle is at $380. So a $100 move here to the upside. So that is a 30% move, more or less, I would guess. Here, 40% almost, that we are moving it to the upside. So if you trade this with 10x, that's a 400% move to the upside. So you can trade EGLD on both platforms, on Bybit and on Phemex on leverage. So there you go. There's a really, really nice trade opportunity. So wait here for the 4-hourly candle. Let me flip this to a 4-hourly chart. Yeah, there you can actually see it much, much better, that this is really an ascending triangle. So you want to wait to see here a green candle closing above this line here of $270. So now we are testing this. If this test is successful and the next candle starts to move here to the upside, that would be my entry point. And then you can trade this all the way up to $375. So now guys, we're getting to the end of the video, and I want to keep up my promise that I gave you a couple of minutes ago. So I have opened now a Discord server. So this is a private Discord server for now. So, and if you want to join, then you have only to do one thing. So you have to go to the pinned comment below and sign up with my Bybit link or with my Phemex link. It actually doesn't matter which one of two you are using. And then you go to your Bybit account and you will find here your UID number. So your UID number, and on Phemex, you find it also when you're clicking here on your email address. There you find also here your UID number. I want you that you go and write this number down, or you copy it. So, and then that you send me this number either on my Twitter account, my crypto coach, here, in a private message, that you send your UID number to me, or that you send it on Telegram to me on my Telegram channel. So, and also the link to the Telegram channel is in the pinned comment below. So once you send me your UID number, I will verify that you are on my affiliation link, and then I will send you the private link to my Discord server. So what I do on the Discord server is I will share all my trades that I take personally live as soon as I take them with you guys. And I will also share 1 or 2 signals per week separately from my usual signals that I do on YouTube with you guys. So these are highly private signals that you will not find on my YouTube channel, that I will give absolutely for free on the Discord server. But the only thing that you have to do is sign up with the Bybit link or the Phemex link in the pinned comment below, and send me your UID number. And obviously, if you want to deposit a little bit of crypto there, then you also get obviously something from the deposit bonus, guys. So don't forget, sign up on the on Bybit or Phemex. Send me the UID number on Telegram or on Twitter. I verify, I give you access to the Discord server. You get 1 to 2 free signals, plus the trades that I take and show on YouTube, and also when I'm gonna exit or something change on my trades, guys. So then let's go back here to the Bitcoin dominance. So here you see exactly what I've said yesterday is happening right now. So I told you when we were here that we will see the Bitcoin dominance come all the way up to test the top of this rising wedge here. And from there, we will see a break to the downside, and then we will get to the bottom of it. And when we get to the bottom of it, then we will actually break it and will move in the direction of 44.4% on the dominance. And that's exactly what's happening right now. And that's why you see, despite Bitcoin dropping, a lot of the altcoins actually going to the upside. So, and this will not stop, guys. This is not stopping anymore, in my opinion, for a long, long time, especially when we break the 44.4 level. Then we will see major moves here in all altcoins as the Bitcoin dominance continues to drop here to the downside. Guys, thank you really much for watching again my video. I hope you enjoyed this content. I hope a lot of you gonna want to join the Discord channel. So obviously the Discord channel is for free. You don't have to pay for that. I forgot to mention this. So this is absolutely for free, guys. Yeah, so please smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, hit all notifications if you haven't yet, and I will see you in the Discord or tomorrow.